friends to my video on Pentaho tutorial. Hi, this is Shang from Early Bird YouTube channel. You can subscribe my channel. And in today's video, what I will be showing you is how to read the data from XML file, simple XML file. So let me first open the XML file. This is my sample file, which is having these blocks, and we want to read and convert it into the text file output. So here you can see I want to uh, convert this XML file into a CSV or text file using Pentaho. Here what I am showing you is I want to read these data and convert it into the text file. So let me go to the spoon interface. So this is the XML step inside, which is predefined step in Pentaho. If you want to convert, first open this XML, first open this transformation and create a new transformation and then go into the design. Under design, you have to just search XML. So once you write XML, here you can see get data from XML. So I have already taken this step, and when I double click this, I have to give the path to this XML file, and my file is placed under desktop folder, this XML flat dot XML. So this file I have to read. I've given this path along with the file name. Then under the content tab, I have given the loop XPath. This is the important part of reading the file from the XML. So first open the file and see till what level of you have to read the data. So level 1, then inside this level 2, then props. So I have given this loop path like this. Okay, then leave everything as is, and you can use if some additional attributes are there in your file, then under the field tab you have to define the name of the field which you want in the output file. So it should be something like this. I've given the same like the XPath. So XPath is the important factor where you have to give this tag name. It should be case sensitive also. So just give whatever there in the file. So here we can see we have two rows present in this simple XML sample file. So I've given this XPath object name as like object ID, sapient quantity, mark mark null name and shape. Okay, and then element as node. You have element as node or attribute. Okay, just keep it like this. The additional output, you don't have to give anything. If you want additional attribute in the file to be output, then you can write any name to this field and it will become in the output. So if I just go and see if everything looks good, then I just have to write the preview, and here I can see two rows are coming as per my file in the input, as per my input file. Okay, so these are the values. I can see it, everything is read properly. So now again I go back, and if I press OK, then I have to convert this into text file output. So here I click this text file output step, then just click on this and then press shift and drag the mouse to the text file output. Here I give main output of the step. Okay, inside this I have to give the location where I want to write the output. So it is inside the desktop. Okay, so if I note this location, what is this location? So this is my location under the desktop. Okay, so here you can see I can give the path. Okay, so here my output file will be written. Okay, so here I have just pasted and then inside this desktop. Okay, so this is my output file location with the file as file output XML. Then in the content tab, you don't have to type anything. Just make sure that whatever the output or separator you want in the output file, just keep it. So here it is by default semicolon, so I'm keeping this same. And here a quick tip for Pentaho is click on the get field, everything will be coming and you can adjust as per the way you want in the output file. If I press OK, then I just have to right click. Either I can do preview or I can save this file. So once you save this, it will be coming from bold to normal. Okay, then just click on this run and run, and this file will be converted to the text file output. So let me go and check which file I've created. So you can see this file is created under the desktop location. The file output xml.txt. If I double click on this, you can see this file is successfully converted into from XML to text file output. See how simple it is using the Pentaho. So thanks for uh, for uh, for watching this video, and I hope you like the content which I today show in this tutorial, where I convert this XML file to text output file. I hope you like this video, and if you want to know more, then check out my next upload videos. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you like it. Thanks.